Today we're diving into what robotics is all about and how robotics is rapidly changing our planet. I'm Mr. Pratt and I've been teaching robotics to students for over 10 years now. Put it simply, robotics is the science and technology of building, designing, and operating robots. So that brings the question, what exactly is a robot? Well, robots are sensing, thinking, acting machines. First things robots have to do is be able to sense their environment. They do this through using different sensors like distance sensors, touch sensors, heat sensors, temperature sensors, cameras, facial recognition sensors, anything that allows the robot to figure out what is it in its environment. Robots are also thinking machines. They have to be able to do something with those sensor inputs. So once they've gotten data from the environment, they have to think through, what do I have to do? Once they've done their thinking with microcontrollers or microcomputers, it's time for them to actually act upon the world. And they do this using motors to be able to actuate upon the world. It might be an actuator to open a door. It might be an actuator to lift up an arm. It might be a humanoid robot that's actually moving its hands as we would expect. From industrial robotic arms assembling cars in factories, to robotic vacuums in homes, there's a large varieties of robots that help us do our daily tasks. Creating robotics is truly a team effort, and it's made up predominantly of three major fields of engineering. There are mechanical engineers that make up the design and movement of the robot. There's the electrical engineers that figure out how do you get power to these sensors and to their motors, and how do I filter out electrical noise and issues that come up with the sensors. And of course, there's computer engineering that develops the software and algorithms to be able to figure out how do the robots actually think with all of this sensor data. Putting all that together really is a team effort. In manufacturing, they're assembling products with speed and precision. In healthcare, they're assisting with surgeries and rehabilitation. They're even exploring out into space. And now we're really getting into a newfound world of robots helping out consumers around the world in their homes. Robotics is rapidly transforming our societies, increasing our productivity as a whole and sparking innovation around the world. And as AI and machine learning advance even further, robotics is going to play an even bigger role in our future. Whether you're building a little wiggle robot at home with your kid, or you're exploring and pushing the boundaries of what humans are doing with humanoid robotics. There's no end to what we might be able to make. And who knows, you might be one of those next engineers designing the robots of the future. So that's a quick introduction about what robotics is all about. And if you want to learn more, you can check out more in my channel description below for a large variety of a lot of different robotics tutorials.